If it is about the confident modern woman, it has to do with style, grace and elegance. A little touch-up is all you need to enhance these supreme qualities. Very few have that artistic touch as the New Delhi-based professional Akriti Kochers when it comes to add to the loveliness of a woman. Together with Oriflame, Akriti Kocher promises a brush of magic for each and every woman.
Hi, I'm very excited to use this unique fashionable makeup palette. This is a palette with rainbow of colors, perfectly suited for Indian skin tone. I'm going to start with priming your face. Wear a primer under your base. It also fills in all the flaws that your skin might have. Always remember the under eyes. This is the area which gets the most dry. Step 2 is foundation. How you test your foundation is you put a patch on your jawline. This is where you put the color. If it blends in with your skin tone, that's your exact color. I think it blends in perfectly. Now that your foundation is done, I can easily see where all do I need to conceal. Now that your base is completely done, I would like to give it some color. I'm going to start with the eye makeup. Put some loose powder under the eyes. Take a neutral color eyeshadow. Pat it at the center. This is the inner corner. You just have to dab the product here. In your waterline. I like the lashes to be nice and curly. It really opens up your eyes. For daytime, make sure you don't go too heavy with your mascara. Perfect. No makeup is complete without lips. I'm going to use a lip brush to fill the lips. Coming to the second look, which is for the festive season, I have designed a look which is more to do with colors, more to go with Indian attire. Taking another shade of green which is darker, but still it is very shimmery eyeshadow. No Indian makeup is complete without eye kohl. I'm using a liquid liner just on the outside, not getting it all the way in. Time to do the lashes. With eyelash curler, start with putting mascara and the eye makeup is done. Coming to the blush part, I'm using a deep pink that's again frosted and has a little bit of shimmer in it so that your cheeks look all blushed. Next is lip liner. Always start with the lower lip first. For that nice frosty gold glittery gloss, and you need not use a gloss over it, and you're ready. Coming to evening look, which is slightly more elaborate, slightly more emphasized. What I have thought for you is smoky eye, which everyone wants to learn how to do it for an evening. I'm using a cream highlighter at the arch of the eyebrows. To the eyes, when you're doing smoky eyes, you might just want to run black eyeshadow. Some more blending. Just a hint of this color, what we popularly call kajal. Look up and fill it in your waterline completely. You can go heavy with the mascara. Look down. Just the final touches for the eyes, like moving the eyebrows, and the smoky eyes is complete. Next step is a little bit of contour. The easiest way is draw a 3 on the outer corner. I'm going to use a shimmer based blush to give some shine to the face. I think I'll pick this lovely corally red color. Perfect, and you're ready for your party. It is truly a delight for every Indian woman. Look fashionable, look gorgeous, look wow. As now you have all the colors you need to create those latest looks. Go all out and discover the artist in you with this exclusive new makeup palette.
If you can imagine that you can achieve